Okay, so we are here at the trailhead. It is 8:53, and we are going to be going up the mountain. I don't know how far it goes or what the name of the trail is, if it even has a name. But we're glad we found it. It's about 7 miles in the canyon. So we're going to get started.
Sure. Let's hear the fastest one.
Man, this is pretty. Flowers just everywhere. It sure does. There's moths out pollinating and other insects, and sure is pretty. So we have a branch here. One goes off to the right, one goes off to the left. There's wildflowers everywhere. So we got a fork in the road. You want to take the right or the left branch?
Let's go this way.
All right. Found out my GoPro is having issues. I thought it had been SD card issues or micro SD, but it's not, because I have a new one in there. It's definitely the GoPro, so I'm gonna have to call up GoPro and figure out what exactly I need to do to get it fixed. Oh, okay, it does keep going. I know it's kind of hard. Just try and avoid stepping on too many flowers and don't go off trail. Oh man. Oh, here's a bunch of lupin. Wow. Wow. This is definitely the more established trail. We backtracked and took the left fork because the other one was nothing more than a cow trail. It's probably just because it's gotten so overgrown with all the wet, all the rain and stuff, that it's kind of overgrown. I don't know how often people hike this trail, but it could just be overgrown. I don't know. Maybe the one my dad went on was a different one, because this is just kind of fading out now. That's more of a cow trail there. Let's turn back and see if we can find out what happened to the trail. Well, it seems like it's devolved into a cow path. So yeah, let's backtrack to that tunnel thing.
To the other side, probably, that it goes
probably.
around the mountain.
That's probably what happened.
Okay.
Thanks. Whew, sure is humid in this. I'm checking out a cow path since the other trail seems to kind of run out. So since the trail kind of ends over there, it just kind of fades off and it's covered with plants, we're not going to go that way because we don't want to damage them for when they recede. We checked out that cow path down there, saw a cool little frog, and just came up this steep little hill. Probably just going to kind of explore around and see what else we can find. Oh man, that sun's really coming out now. Oh man, that's so pretty. So we're coming to the end here. Probably went a couple miles around trip. Not real far, but we've just been kind of enjoying the flowers and taking lots of pictures, as you'll see at the end of the video. And oh man, it's just so pretty. So pretty. See, Robert's still back there taking pictures. He was experimenting with some filters on his phone to make the flowers look better, and he found a pretty decent one. Oh man, I expected to see some flowers, but I didn't think there'd be this many. Oh, it just looks great. And the thing is, it's kind of hard to see from the road unless you're traveling westbound, I think. But oh, it's so much better to just get on the trail and see it. Of course, the river down there looks like absolute crap because they're letting water out of the dam, and there's all sorts of sediment going down it right now. And oh man, it's just so stinking pretty. I'm loving this. I didn't really get the workout I wanted, but hey, you know, this is super pretty, so it's worth it.
You're on video,
So are you.
you as well.
That's right. It's a crossover video. So Robert, what did you think of the hike, even though it wasn't as long as we were hoping?
It was good. It was we got to see some serious wildflowers, and it looks pretty nice. It's once in a lifetime event, or at least, well, more accurate, once
a rare
once a
event.
year, once a year event, once every spring.
Yeah. What about you, Susanna?
I love it, John. Thanks so much for inviting me, and I really soaking in the views. Where I just love this hike, and it has been a very enjoyable time with you and Robert, and thanks a lot.
Oh, you're welcome. It's
so
my
pretty,
pleasure.
Nice views, awesome time with you guys.
Yeah, we had no idea we were going to get this many flowers.
Yeah, lots of flowers, so pretty. It looks
Yeah.
really pretty.
Awesome. Thank you.